Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tea bread using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Don't forget 1/2 cup of your favorite dried fruit, like raisins or currants. Finally, have 1 cup of hot, strong black tea ready for the next step. This recipe is truly straightforward. Now, let's get to mixing. Begin by soaking your dried fruit in the hot tea for at least 15 minutes. This makes them wonderfully plump. While that's happening, grab a large bowl and thoroughly combine your 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and the pinch of salt. Once the fruit is softened, simply add the entire tea and fruit mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. It's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Make sure your loaf pan is well greased. An 8-inch by 4-inch pan works perfectly. Carefully pour your tea bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's beautifully golden brown and a skewer inserted comes out clean. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Let your delicious tea bread cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. This ensures it sets properly and tastes its best. You can enjoy it plain with a smear of butter or even a light cream cheese spread. It's perfect with your morning coffee or afternoon tea. Also, if you're looking to bring your space to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Consider subscribing if we helped you.